8 luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind. Get ready to embark on a journey of luxury and opulence with these 8 remarkable motorhomes that redefine the concept of travel. Vario Signature 1200. The Vario Signature 1200 stands tall as a symbol of luxury and opulence on the road. At 12 meters long and weighing a hefty 26 tons, it commands attention wherever it travels. Inside, the Vario Signature 1200 greets you with a spacious interior, designed to accommodate up to 6 people in comfort and style. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher, ensuring that every culinary need is met. A highlight of the Vario Signature 1200 is its massive car garage, capable of housing vehicles as large as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. With a base price starting at $922,000, the Vario Signature 1200 is undoubtedly an investment in luxury travel. Trigano Sequoia. The Trigano Sequoia is a groundbreaking tent trailer designed to provide comfort and convenience for up to 10 people, making it an ideal choice for camping trips with family or friends. With its spacious living area of 29 square meters, it offers ample room for relaxation and enjoyment. Setting up the main tent takes just 5 minutes, while the awning can be assembled in 20 minutes, ensuring quick and easy setup for a hassle-free camping experience. Equipped with a new surround ventilation system, the Sequoia ensures optimal climate control within the main tent, creating a comfortable environment for everyone. Additionally, the air awning can be quickly set up without the need for poles, adding to the convenience of the camping setup. With its unique design and innovative features, the Trigano Sequoia provides the perfect blend of comfort and convenience for unforgettable camping experiences. Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan. The Mars 15 Premium Hybrid Caravan is the epitome of versatility, offering the perfect blend of convenience and luxury for family adventures. With a starting price of around $49,000, it provides excellent value for its features. Equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including a dining area, kitchen, queen-sized bed, and bathroom, its Projecta PM400 battery management system, 200-watt pure S-Wave inverter, and 400-watt solar panel offer efficient power management, ideal for off-grid adventures. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is a one-of-a-kind motorhome specially crafted for surfers, providing both comfort and excitement during coastal adventures. This 2-story marvel is built onto a Mercedes Actros truck chassis, making it sturdy and reliable for long journeys. When fully contracted for travel, it measures 11.2 meters in length, 2.55 meters in width, and 4 meters in height, ensuring ample space for relaxation and recreation. Inside, the Surf Truck Hotel features 5 rooms that can accommodate up to 10 guests, making it perfect for group outings. While the motorhome itself isn't available for purchase, it offers an unforgettable experience for surf enthusiasts looking to chase the best breaks along the coast. CMC Alana. The CMC Alana is a luxurious motorhome crafted by the Italian company CMC Caravan, renowned for its top-notch quality and advanced features. With its spacious interior and high-quality finishes, it's the epitome of luxury on the road. Featuring a slide-out section that expands the living space, the Alana offers ample room for relaxation and entertainment. Its full-size kitchen, complete with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, ensures a delightful cooking experience. The bedroom boasts a queen-sized bed, providing utmost comfort for a good night's sleep. The Alana's bathroom includes a separate shower and toilet, enhancing convenience and privacy. Starting at around $300,000, the CMC Alana stands as one of the most luxurious and expensive motorhomes on the market. Its price reflects the unparalleled quality and features it offers, making it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize luxury and comfort while traveling. Vanales MV12. The Vanales MV12 stands as a testament to luxury and customization, tailored precisely to the preferences of the MotoGP rider Maverick Vanales. As a double-decker motorhome, it boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design. Powered by a robust 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz engine, capable of reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. Inside, the MV12 offers unparalleled comfort and opulence. The lower deck features a spacious living room, kitchen, dining area, and bedroom, while the upper deck houses a second bedroom, bathroom, and a large terrace with breathtaking views. With an estimated cost exceeding $2.5 million, the MV12 is a pinnacle of luxury motorhomes. Bertselini Slideout. The Bertselini Slideout is a luxurious caravan designed to offer a premium travel experience with its innovative features and high-quality finishes. Its standout feature is the slide-out section, which expands the living space by up to 25%, providing ample room for relaxation and entertainment during your travels. The fixed bed layout includes a large queen-sized bed in the rear, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of adventure. In addition to the slide-out section and luxurious interior, the Bertselini Slideout is equipped with all the necessary amenities for a comfortable journey. The fully equipped kitchen features a gas hob, oven, fridge, and freezer, allowing for convenient meal preparation while on the go. The bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink, providing convenience and privacy during your travels. With a length of 10.27 meters and a total weight of 3,500 kilograms, the Bertselini Slideout strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and maneuverability. Its base price of 87,000 euros in Germany reflects the exceptional quality and features it offers, making it a top choice for travelers seeking luxury and comfort on their adventures. Bolas Endless Highways Performance Edition. The Bolas Endless Highways Performance Edition is a top-of-the-line luxury travel trailer that seamlessly blends innovative technologies with timeless natural materials. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this travel trailer offers an unparalleled travel experience. Its exterior showcases a sleek and modern design, while concealing innovative engineering features such as garage slide-outs and numerous storage compartments. Inside, the spacious interior is adorned with premium materials and state-of-the-art technology, providing a luxurious living space. Equipped with a fully functional kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and ample storage, preparing meals on the go becomes a breeze. With a starting price ranging from $1.25 million to over $2.7 million, the Bolas Endless Highways Performance Edition represents the pinnacle of luxury travel trailers. These 8 luxurious motorhomes are sure to blow your mind with their combination of style, comfort, and innovation. Which one would you choose for your next adventure?